Mrs. Fitz is, look at that beautiful okra. When you see okra like that,
some's a little, but some.
You know the heat has turned on. That bloom, that pretty. All kinds of okra in there. So the heat has come on here and the faucet has turned off. It's July the 4th. Happy Independence Day. The green beans have finally started setting blooms. And we've got good looking plants. But I'll show you what we're doing here. Basically all we're trying to do right now is keep everything alive. We've got the water hose. And we're just flooding the rows. Because we didn't have any drip tape under these. And like we did our tomatoes and onions and stuff over there like that. Corn is just about ready. You can see they're not going to be great big. We had a week where we had 10 inches of rain all at one time. And since then, that's been about 5 weeks ago. We haven't had a drop. Well, I'll say we hadn't had a drop. We did have one little shower, but that's it. The next week is 100 plus every day. Heat index 110. So we're in the cooker. But I really want to show you something this morning. The preacher, Brother Harold, gave us some patty pan squash, and this is the new rave, and I can see why. They're pretty good. So we've got a few of them coming on. We're going to water them. But I want to show you something over here. I want you to look at the size of that Cushaw squash. There's another one. There's one that's just getting going. There's one over there. But I want you to look at the size of that thing. Brother Harold gave me those. The seeds came from, I believe he said Thomas Jefferson's plantation. I'm learning from the Appalachia lady, the history lady. I'm learning some stuff about these from her. And we're fixing to process that big one over there. But I kind of wanted to give you a little garden update. Take you up and show you the peas real quick. Sweet potatoes under the black plastic the plants are doing pretty good for the heat. We're going to give them another shot of water after a while. We don't know if there's any sweet potatoes under there yet. We're just going to have to find out. Let's go check the peas out. Here are the purple hulls that I planted. Oh, it's been about 2 weeks now. As you can see, they're doing real well. We're watering them every day. That's the only thing we can do is give them a chance. And they're doing real well. And I'm pleased with that. We just put some water on them. We're watering them every morning. And I think we're gonna make some peas. We're kind of starting to look like they're getting ready to run a little bit. So those are coming along good. But I want to take you inside and show you what we've been doing in the freeze dryer. Here is a gallon of milk that we froze dried. We got 2 quarts freeze dried milk and actually 2.5 quarts and a pint of that. Of course, you saw the coffee creamer. I made a video on that. That's the wife's coffee creamer that we did. This is what we did this morning. This is 5 pounds of jalapeno peppers that we froze dried and then we ground into powder for flavoring. I'm gonna tell you something. It was fun here in the kitchen this morning. when we began to grind those up. We ground them, all the thing we did is cut the stems off of them. We ground seeds. You can see a few seeds in there still, didn't get ground up, that's okay. But it got a little intense in here earlier this morning. Let me show you what else we've been freeze drying. Over on this shelf, we have freeze dried eggs. There is 7 dozen eggs right here that have been freeze dried, and then we pulverized them. And everybody's going to ask, how do you know how many eggs to make an egg? 1 tablespoon of this and 2 tablespoons of water will make you a scrambled egg. 1 scrambled egg. So that's kind of what we've been doing. Of course, you saw the beets, the potatoes. That's not all the potatoes. Sweet potatoes. But we got to get some more going. Just a short video, kind of show y'all what's been going on around here. We've had the freeze dryer cranking, and got some more stuff we're going to do some more eggs and some things like that. The gardening is what it is right now. We'll be lucky to get a whole lot of produce out of there. As long as we keep watering, we'll keep keep everything alive. But just want to make a quick video. It's 4th of July. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate my new subscribers. Like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Tell your friends, share these videos. I'll be doing a video on processing and possibly canning those Cushaw squash. We'll see what we're going to do with them. They tell me you make good bread, and they're better than pumpkin is what I've heard. So I've got to do some more research on that, but those are about ready, and we're going to start processing those. We'll be doing that in the next few days. I'll make a video on that. Thanks for watching. See you next go around.